Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well today. So today we're checking out my Boxycharm for January, and I really like this box. I think that Boxycharm is starting the year out right. So I'm going to share with y'all what I got and then show y'all what I use to do my makeup for today. So before we get started, if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is SonyaNicole and I post makeup content about a couple times a week, including some stuff for makeup lovers who are 40 and over. So if that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe while you're here. I would love to have you join. Okay, you guys, let's jump right into it. So as always, I'll have a link in my description box if you want to get some more information on Boxycharm, but just to give you an overview, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. You can sign up for the base service, which is the one that I have. That is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size makeup and skincare products. You can also do the premium service, which is $35 a month, and for that you get 6 to 7 full-size products. And if you have the base service, you can upgrade to Boxy Luxe, and then every 3 months you'll get a luxury box, which is 8 to 10 products, and that would be a mix of makeup, skincare, and lifestyle. So if you're interested, check the link in my description box. So every month they theme the box, and this one is Fresh Start. So I feel like I don't really care for this card. Like, I can't really make out what it's supposed to be, number one, and I don't get it. But let me know if you get it. But this is the theme for this month is Fresh Start. So I guess that's supposed to be kind of like, you know, start of 2021, a fresh start coming off of last year, since that was just a hot mess, I'm guessing, but I don't get the image that they're using. But anyway, I have a weird variety number for this month, but I'll have it up on the screen. So what you're seeing on my screen is my variety box number, and my weight is 1.3 pounds. So I'll have all of that information up for y'all. And then just in case you're not familiar, on the back of the card they just give you some information about all of the products that you got in your box. So first, let me share with y'all a couple of skincare products that I haven't used yet, but I will be trying these out tonight. So the first one is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And the reason I'm laughing is because I just did a video talking about how anti-aging should not be a thing, because aging is a natural process that we all go through, and we should be embracing that in the beauty community. So with that being said, I don't care for the name of this product. Like, they could have called it something like maybe Age Gracefully with Dr. Brandt. But aside from that, I am going to try this out tonight, because I remember a while ago we got another I want to say it was an eye gel. It was like a depuffer eye gel from Boxycharm, and I remember I did really like that, even though I just kind of stopped using it. So I will try this out, because I do have a lot going on in my eye area anyway. I don't think this, like what I have with my eyes, I have like bags under my eyes, and then I have a lot of little fine lines, but I don't think that that's from aging, because my eyes have always been like that for as long as I can remember. But I will try this out just to see. Now, I will say I don't think I'm totally sold on the whole idea of eye creams though, because just in my experience, I really haven't seen a difference between using an eye cream versus like just using my regular moisturizer under my eye area. But also I just, I haven't tried like everything under the sun. So this one, ooh, wow, this retails for $82. This better do something for $82. But anyway, this is the first product, and I'm gonna be trying this one out tonight. Next, we have the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel-Free Moisturizer, and this is one of the spoilers, and I'm really happy that I got this, because I usually have really good experiences with moisturizers that I get from Boxycharm. The only other thing that we got from Farmacy is we got like a cleansing balm, and I used to, actually we got it twice, because we got the original one and the cherry one, and I loved both of them. So I'm looking forward to this just because I had good experiences with Farmacy. Actually, no, we got some kind of like a honey cleanser from Farmacy through Boxycharm, and that did break me out. But those other two Farmacy, like the cleansing balms, I did really like. And this one looks like a water gel. That's like the consistency of it. It looks like a water gel cream. And right now I'm using another moisturizer that's pretty much the same consistency, it's just a different color. So this one is supposed to be, it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight and lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one out tonight. And this is actually pretty timely for me because it's almost time for me to get a new moisturizer anyway. So, oh, this one retails for $38. So those two products I'm going to be trying out tonight, and then everything else I already tried out before I filmed the video. So the next product is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. So I put this stuff on my lips about an hour ago, and right before I started filming I took it off and I put some lipstick on. So this feels okay on the lips, but it has kind of like a minty, almost like a tingling sensation to it. I like that sensation on my lips, but it's called the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and you can like really smell the sweet orange. So the only reason I took this off is because the smell was just getting to me. I don't really like to have like sweet, like fruity scents on things that I use on my face and on my lips, but that's really the only downside that I saw to this in the time that I had it on. I only had it on for like an hour. I don't think it felt as good as my Vaseline, so I usually use the cocoa butter Vaseline on my lips, or sometimes I'll use my Nivea. This thing has powder all over it, but sometimes I'll use my Nivea lip balm. So this stuff to me doesn't feel as good as those other two, but it felt okay. Only reason I took it off is because I couldn't stand that orangey smell. But if you like those types of sweet smells, you might like this. So this has vitamin C in it, which is where the sweet orange comes in, and the coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft and supple lips, and this retails for $33. I think $33 is pretty like outrageous for a lip balm. That's just like really expensive. I only had it on for an hour, but I didn't really notice anything in that time that would make me say that would make me recommend this, especially for that price. I just think that that's really expensive. My next product is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, and I used this to do my eyes today, and I did really like this. So this is what the palette looks like, and really the only shade in here that I don't think I would ever use is that like yellow golden shade there. The rest of these I feel like I would at least like play around with them. So on my eyes for today, I have this purple shade is like my shimmer shade on my lid. And then this brown, or this is a matte purple shade rather. This is the one that I have on my inner corner. And then I took these two shades together to mix them because I felt like this shade here was just a little bit darker than what I wanted. So I mixed these two shades together to buff out my whole look. Oh, and I put some of this on my lower lash line too. And then this shade over here, I used that for my inner corner. Oh, and I'm sorry, one more color that I use. This one here, I use that for my brow bone highlight. And I also have a very tiny bit of that on my cheek because this shade here is more like a topper shade. And I like the way that everything blended out. I didn't have any problems with getting my eyeshadow to work or anything. So I think that this is a product that I would probably pick up from time to time and play around with it. I like the packaging too. It does feel kind of like velvety. So this palette retails for $30. And lastly, I have the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. If you know if this was one of the choice products for this month, let me know because I think that I chose this, but I can't remember. But anyway, this is what the palette looks like. I think we might have had a choice between this or the, I guess it was a blush palette, but I chose this one because I thought that these three shades here are ones that I could possibly use. I meant to use this one to try and set my foundation for today, but I forgot. So after I had already set my face, I said I won't go on top of it with more powder, but I meant to try this one for a setting powder today. I did take these two shades though. I tried to mix them together to use them as a bronzer, and this one is actually just a little too red for my skin tone. So I had to, after I put my bronzer on my forehead, I had to take my foundation brush and go back on top of it because it was just like a little too dark. This shade here though is pretty good on its own for me as a bronzer. So I will say this is probably not something that I would pick up on top of a couple of other bronzers that I have because I think I would like them better, but this is something that I could at least get some use out of. And this one retails for $30. So the total worth for my box for this month was $213, and overall I am really pleased with my box this month. I have a really good feeling about this. I think I'm gonna really enjoy using that, and I'm hoping that this $82 eye cream is worth the price tag, even though I didn't pay $82 for it, but for $82 it better do something. So I'm looking forward to this as well. And the only product that I don't think I'm going to be picking up anymore is this very overpriced lip balm, but other than that I'm very satisfied. As long as I am satisfied with maybe like 3 out of the 5 products that I get from Boxycharm, then that's pretty much good enough for me, because I don't think I've ever had a box where like every single product was something that I use like on a regular basis, but I think 3 out of 5 is pretty good. I remember the month that I got this palette, and I think this was in October because it was my birthday month. I think 4 out of the 5 products are ones that I pretty much use like on a regular basis, but like I said, 3 out of 5 is really all that I look for, you know? So if you have Boxycharm, let me know in the comments what you got and how you like your box for this month. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video today. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you head out today, and I will see y'all back here for my next one. Until then, take care. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.